There were two pieces of good news. One, of course, India winning comprehensively versus Afghanistan. The other big news came from the BCCI's table saying that Rahul Dravid has now been appointed the next Indian team coach. He's going to take the reins of this team right after this T20 World Cup.
It's official now. Rahul Dravid has been appointed as Team India's head coach. The former India captain will succeed Ravi Shastri, whose tenure ends at the end of the ongoing T20 World Cup in the UAE. Dravid's appointment was always on the cards once he submitted his application after BCCI chief and his former teammate Sourav Ganguly and secretary Jay Shah convinced him to take up the job. Dravid was the director at the National Cricket Academy and has a rich and successful coaching experience with India A and the Under-19 teams. Under him, India made it to the Under-19 World Cup finals on 2 occasions. India lost the summit clash in 2016 before Dravid guided the boys in blue to the title in 2018. In fact, Dravid has worked with most of the players who are finding their feet in the Indian setup right now. Rishabh Pant, Ishan Kishan, Prithvi Shaw and Shubman Gill are some of the youngsters who were part of the 2 Under-19 World Cup teams that flourished under Dravid. With Dravid's arrival, the Indian cricket will also undergo a transition phase as Virat Kohli has also stepped down as the skipper in T20 cricket and his future as ODI captain is also uncertain. Sports Bureau, India Today.
Right, Sunny Gavaskar still with us. Sunny, we had spoken about this earlier and you said that he's the best possible man and he should be the next Indian coach. Now that he's been officially appointed, where do you see Indian cricket going from here?
Well, I think Indian cricket should be going, ahead and ahead because, he's the kind of guy who will bring his vast experience, the fact that the hard work ethic that he himself embodied when he was playing the game, the deep thinking about, tactics, etc., which again was so much Rahul Dravid. So that is going to be something that this Indian team will have. Yes, you need to have a little bit of instinctive maneuvers as well, but you also be able to plan and think. And I just think that this is probably the best news that Indian cricket has had over the last 1 week or so, because the last 2 matches were not good news. Today we get this news before the game started that he's been appointed the captain, and then India win this match with a massive margin. So today certainly is a very, very good day for Indian cricket. Right.
Final word from you, Sunny. Just looking at the timing of the appointment, I mean, if there was no interview and then he was appointed, but you, of course, said that once he throws his hat into the ring, then there is only that one option. Is it also because we are going to be having a transition as far as the T20 captain is concerned, and probably you wanted to appoint the coach before that, so he could be part of that process when the new captain is appointed?
I don't think so. I think it was just, after this tournament is over, you've got to have a new coach. And the earlier he's appointed, the better it is, because he also gets time to plan. And therefore, I think this move of appointing him now, today, I think it's a very good move because it's given him some time before the tournament finishes, because there are still 2 more matches that the Indian team has to play. All the transition, etc., will take place a little bit later. Right now, it is time for Rahul Dravid to take stock of the situation. He will have been watching the matches, he'll take stock of the situation, and then he'll decide what is best for Indian cricket.
All right, Sunny bhai, always a pleasure talking to you. That's all the time that we have on the show at the moment. As I said, double treat now for Indian fans. One, of course, India winning against Afghanistan by a massive margin of 66 runs. And then they've got a model cricketer in Rahul Dravid taking over the reins of the Indian team. That'll happen right after the T20 World Cup. You're watching Battle of Champions, but news continues on India Today.